Rejection hurts, it just does. It's a universal experience that everyone goes through at some point in their lives. The sting of rejection can feel like a deep wound, leaving you questioning your worth and wondering why things didn't go the way you hoped. Like a punch to the gut, it can leave you winded and wondering what went wrong. The physical sensation of rejection can be overwhelming, making it hard to breathe and even harder to think clearly. It's as if the world has momentarily stopped, and all you can focus on is the pain. Whether it's a romantic interest, a job opportunity, or even just a casual friend group, not being chosen stings. The feeling of being left out or overlooked can be incredibly isolating. You might start to doubt yourself, wondering if there's something inherently wrong with you. But remember, everyone faces rejection in different forms. Here's the thing. It's perfectly normal to feel bummed, sad, or even angry. Emotions are a natural response to life's ups and downs. It's okay to cry, to feel frustrated, or to need some time to process what happened. These feelings are valid and part of the healing process. Don't beat yourself up for having feelings. Emotions are what make us human. They are a testament to our capacity to care deeply and to invest ourselves in our dreams and relationships. Instead of suppressing your feelings, try to understand them. Write them down, talk to a friend, or simply sit with them for a while. Allow yourself to acknowledge the pain, but don't unpack and live there. It's important to give yourself the space to feel, but also to recognize when it's time to move forward. Healing is a journey, and while it's crucial to honor your emotions, it's equally important to not let them define you. Remember, rejection is a part of life. It's something everyone experiences, and it's not a reflection of your worth. Each rejection is a stepping stone, a lesson that helps you grow stronger and more resilient. It's a reminder that you're brave enough to put yourself out there, even when the outcome is uncertain. It doesn't mean you're not good enough. In fact, it often means that you are on the right path, but the timing or circumstances just weren't aligned. Trust that there are better opportunities ahead, ones that are a perfect fit for who you are and what you have to offer. It simply means it wasn't the right fit at the right time. And that's okay, we've all been there. Embrace the journey, learn from each experience, and keep moving forward with confidence. Your worth is not determined by the rejections you face, but by the courage you show in continuing to pursue your dreams. Now that you've acknowledged the sting, it's time to process those emotions. Ignoring them will only make them louder. Talk to a trusted friend or family member. Sometimes just saying the words out loud can help lighten the load. Journaling can also be a great outlet. Write down your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's like having a therapy session with your notebook. Remember, you're not weak for feeling these things, you're human. And humans have feelings, it's what we do with them that matters. One of the best ways to stop thinking about someone is to fill your time with things that bring you joy. When you immerse yourself in activities that make you happy, you create new memories and experiences that can help overshadow the old ones. It's not about forgetting, but about creating a new focus for your mind. Think of it as a mental vacation from your worries. Just like a physical vacation, a mental break can rejuvenate your spirit and give you a fresh perspective. Whether it's the sound of waves crashing on the shore, the tranquility of a park, or the simple pleasure of lying in a hammock, these moments of peace can be incredibly healing. Reconnect with friends, pick up a new hobby, or dust off that old guitar in the corner. Social interactions and new activities can stimulate your mind and provide a sense of accomplishment. Maybe you've always wanted to try pottery or learn a new instrument. Now is the perfect time to dive into these interests. Get lost in a good book, binge watch a hilarious TV show, or explore a new part of your city. Books can transport you to different worlds, TV shows can make you laugh and forget your worries, and exploring new places can reignite your sense of adventure. Each of these activities can help shift your focus and bring joy into your life. The goal is to keep your mind occupied and engaged in something other than the rejection. Puzzles and creative activities can challenge your brain and provide a sense of satisfaction. Visiting a museum can inspire you and remind you of the beauty and creativity in the world. These activities can help you build a new narrative for yourself, one that is filled with positivity and growth. Remember, an idle mind is the devil's playground. And right now, we're evicting any negativity. By actively choosing to engage in positive activities, you take control of your mental space. Cleaning a cluttered room can be symbolic of clearing out negative thoughts. Taking a deep breath and smiling can be a powerful reminder that you have the strength to overcome any challenge. Embrace these moments and let them guide you towards a brighter, more fulfilling future. When you're feeling down, it's easy to fall into the trap of self-criticism. Don't let rejection define your worth. Instead, use this time to focus on self-care and self-improvement. Treat yourself to a spa day, go for a run, or cook yourself a delicious meal. Invest in your physical and mental health. Remember all the awesome things about you. Write them down if you have to. You are worthy of love and happiness, with or without this person in your life. Section 5. Flipping the script. New thoughts, new you. Our thoughts have power. They shape our reality, influence our emotions, and determine our actions. When we allow negative thoughts to dominate, we limit our potential and hinder our growth. But the good news is we have the power to change our thoughts and, in turn, change our lives. If you constantly replay the rejection in your head, you're only reinforcing the pain. It's like watching a sad movie on repeat, never allowing yourself to move on from the heartbreak. This cycle of negativity can trap you in a state of despair, making it difficult to see the positive aspects of your life. It's time to flip the script. Challenge negative thoughts. When a negative thought enters your mind, don't accept it as the truth. Question it. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me or hurting me? Replace it with a positive affirmation. For example, instead of thinking, I'm not good enough, tell yourself, I am capable and worthy of love and success. Instead of asking, why me? Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Every experience, even the painful ones, can teach us valuable lessons. Perhaps the rejection is an opportunity for self-improvement or a chance to redirect your energy towards something more fulfilling. Embrace the lessons and use them to grow stronger and wiser. Instead of dwelling on what you've lost, focus on what you've gained: freedom, experience, and the opportunity to find someone who truly appreciates you. Life is full of possibilities, and every ending is a new beginning. By shifting your focus to the positive aspects of your life, you open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences. Remember, rejection is a redirection. It's not the end of the road, but a detour, leading you to a better path. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and that every setback is setting you up for a greater comeback. Embrace the journey and have faith in the process. It's the universe's way of saying, this isn't your path. Sometimes we need to be pushed out of our comfort zones to discover our true potential. Rejection can be a blessing in disguise, guiding us towards opportunities we never imagined. Stay open to new possibilities and trust that everything happens for a reason. Something better is waiting for you. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. Keep moving forward with a positive mindset, and you'll attract the right people and opportunities into your life. Remember, your thoughts create your reality, so choose to think positively and watch your life transform for the better. Time heals all wounds, but you don't have to sit around waiting for it to magically happen. You can actively participate in your own healing process. Forgive yourself for any mistakes you think you might have made. Forgive the other person for not being the right fit. Holding on to anger and resentment will only hurt you in the long run. Remember, forgiveness is not about condoning their actions. It's about freeing yourself from the burden of the past. Rejection can sometimes make us question our identity. Use this time to reconnect with yourself and rediscover what makes you unique and awesome. What are you passionate about? What are your goals and dreams? Focus on your own growth and development. Remember, you are a work in progress. Embrace the journey and allow yourself to evolve into the best version of you. Don't let rejection close you off to future opportunities. The world is full of amazing people, and there's someone out there who will appreciate you for exactly who you are. Stay open to meeting new people and having new experiences. You never know where you'll find your person. Remember, rejection from one person doesn't mean you're destined to be alone. It simply means you're one step closer to finding the right match. Rejection is a tough pill to swallow, but it's not the end of the world. It's simply a detour on the road to happiness. Remember, you are strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming anything life throws your way. So pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and get back out there. The world is waiting for you. Remember, you've got this.